Hi guys, this is Ravina. I'm going to be doing her makeup today. I'm going to use the Conspiracy palette to do her makeup by Jeffree and Shane Dawson. I don't know what kind of look I'm going to go for yet, but stay tuned. This is the Clinique Dramatically Different Lotion. It's going to be moisturizing her face with it using the back of the sponge. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 255 and I'm going to be dotting it over her face using the back of my brush. I use 2 pumps and you'll see if I need more. Now I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in the shade Sand. Just going to put it under her eyes in a triangle. And then I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast. I'm going to be using the Mercier translucent powder to set her under eyes. I'm going to be using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot to prime her eyelids. And today we're going to be using the Conspiracy palette. And I think I'm going to go in with the shade Canacon. It's this one right here. This one right here. And I'm going to put it into her crease using a fluffy blending brush. This one right here. Focus. Perfect. And now I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. It's called Not a Fat. It's like a deep purple. And I'm going to be taking the same blending brush and just blending it into her crease. So I'm going to be taking the Nude palette from Huda Beauty and using this shade right here. It's called Bear. I'm just going to be highlighting her brow bone with it. Just a fluffy blending brush. This is the Anastasia, or sorry, this is the Urban Decay Naked Toothbrush. I'm going to be taking the shade Daydream from the Nude palette and putting it all over her eyelid. I'm using my fingers and they are clean. Taking the same blending brush, just blending out the little glitter that I put in there. I'm going to be using the Stila Glitter and Glow in Smoldering Satin. Okay, now I'm going to take the SmashBox Contour Kit in shade Light Medium. I'm just going to contour her cheeks using this brush right here. Okay, and now I'm going to use the Physicians Formula blush in the shade Rose. No, I'm just going to use this. I'm going to be using Benefit's KaBrow in the shade 3.5 to fill in the brows with a angled brush. Put a spoon in. Okay, I'm going to be taking this shade right here and putting it underneath her lower lash line as well. Under your eyes, look up. Super nice. I'm only going to be doing like the outer third, I guess.
How we were talking about like what of the opposite like sex gets you mad. This is one thing. It's like girls keep their shop by walking past you. You get that hit boy.
I'm going to be taking the Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. I'm going to be highlighting her face with it. Look that way.
Yo, her
eyeliner.
We're getting demonetized.
100%. So you weren't making any money in the first place, so it's okay. I'm going to be doing her eyeliner now, all the way in the end. I'm going to be using Pink Orchid Studios Lit Liner. And we'll be back. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara and then the primer as well for the lashes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. This is the final look, guys.
Whoa.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Actually, you're just saying that.
No, deadass, I love it.
Oh my gosh. I really like
Good
it
job.
too. I feel like it blended out so nicely.
Yo, you did. I'm actually very like shocked with you because when I first was looking at it, I just saw purple and I was like really scared.
I was scared too. Like I didn't know how it was gonna look.
I actually love
Yo,
this.
it looks so nice.
And
And
the
I
color.
don't do eyeliner because I always thought I looked bad in it.
Yeah.
I really like
Oh
it.
my gosh.
Okay guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching.
Lips are people again.
Lips. Lips.
I'm gonna keep listening. We totally forgot lipstick, guys.
I just saw it and we forgot what they.
Okay, I'm gonna be using
That's actually really funny.
I know Anastasia's Soft Lilac. It's like a purpley shade, but it's like a purpley pink. Okay, so I'm also gonna be mixing this shade called Catnip. It's also by Anastasia. Yeah, what do you want to change from lips?
These are uneven. Okay, if you look at them, they're
Which-
kind of uneven.
Sweetie, your lip do like that.
I usually don't do bright lips, so like this is like
I like it.
I like it
how
too.
it's like. What's the word?
pops,
No.
comes together.
It flows together. Yeah, good job. She should be a YouTuber.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. So, makeup review, man, Carson goes way too hard on the eyes with the brushes. I'm gonna like take all this off, it's gonna be bruised. She probably cut it out, but she like smacked me through my eyes. I wasn't listening.
Move your head this way before you move it down.
Yeah, screw counting, man.
Accounting the shit up fast and you want it. Completely my look, completely forgot about my lips.
Yeah,
It's
man.
okay.
She used your drugstore makeup on us. Good job. I see you have those more like nude palettes, Huda Beauty ones in there.
I don't think she likes you. She used all the fancy shit on me.
Yeah, I got one. You know, like,
I even got like the nice little translucent powder too.
yeah, I know. I got the Maybelline $6 powder. Thanks, Carson. I'll keep it inside.
I feel the love hearts. I don't know which one you like more.
Yeah, no, but seriously,
Jenna, you did an amazing job.
Yeah,
You did an amazing job. We're just playing. She didn't
Yeah.
do any of that.
she was an amazing makeup artist,
Yeah.
and yeah,
Seriously,
get it done.
I didn't know the word, so I just did.
I can't speak English.